guys, I'm RoamingAndro. We have arrived to Randall's Island. Let's take a look. So I'm gonna get on a bike and ride around this island and show you a little bit of what's here. Nobody lives here, so people are picnicking on this lovely summer day. Hi guys, we're on the bike here. I don't know what's happening, but look, here's the nice water. So you can rent a city bike here. I don't know for how much, but I have a membership, and with a membership you can add a friend to bike with you. So let's go bike around Randall's Island. This is my friend Sophia. So I'm just biking around Randall's Island. There's a little bit of a hill here, so I decided to walk. But it's very beautiful. It's very nice just to get away from the feel of what New York City is with the crowds, all the concrete. There's a lot of good nature here, and it's very tranquil. If you want to avoid a crowd on a weekday, come to Randall's Island. You can bring your own bike, you can drive here, you can also park. The bus will get you here from both Manhattan or Queens. Keep going.